Hello and welcome back to Parrots training videos for the ANAFI USA. In this video, we'll walk through the different camera operations, focusing on the IR and zoom on board the ANAFI USA.
To use a 32x zoom on board the ANAFI USA, push the right dial down to zoom in, and the right dial up to zoom out. The level of zoom would be indicated on the left-hand side of the HUD. To use the 180-degree camera tilt, use the left dial, found on the Sky Controller 3 or Sky Controller USA. It's important to note that when zoomed in, your commands will respond slower on the aircraft so you do not lose track of your subject. To regain situational awareness, a pilot can use the optics reset button to zoom out and reset the camera angle. The ANAFI USA uses a combination of its two EO cameras to make the 32x zoom possible. The system can zoom up to 5 times in 4K Ultra HD, up to 10 times in 1080p HD, and up to 27 times in 720p HD. For users looking to go all the way to 32 times, they will lose slightly more quality but still be able to maintain their target perfectly. To switch to the IR camera, select Thermal from the spectrum or press the thermometer button on the Sky Controller USA. In thermal mode, you can switch between relative, hot spot, and cold spot depending on the mission type. In thermal mode, pilots can choose between different color palettes depending on their mission. They can choose between Fusion, Rainbow, White Hot, and Black Hot. Spectrum blending allows the ANAFI USA to compensate the lower resolution of the thermographic image by comparing it to the visible image. This allows the aircraft to display a fusion of the information from the two cameras. Contours found in the visible image are injected into the outcome footage, allowing users to have the best of both worlds. More settings are available for thermal under the Preferences page. Here you can change your color gradient, turn on or off thermal post-processing, change the thermal calibration from auto to manual, and change the temperature range if you're operating in very high temperatures.
In the next video, we'll talk about uploading maps to the Sky Controller USA. Thanks for tuning in to Parrots training videos.